Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at some beautiful fireworks, but these aren't any ordinary fireworks. As you can see, they are beautiful fireworks. Okay, we're gonna save and continue to respawn the fireworks, just like how we can respawn bugs and what. Ah, frick, that's pretty bright. Let's turn that frick. Anyways, there we go. We're filming this beautifulness. As you can see, it is 11:30 p.m. We are waiting for the timer to go away. Actually, wait, no, that's not how that works, frick. Damn, the timer shows up like way too quick. Quick. Okay, we got some images. That's pretty